Welcome back. Coding is about language, and it's similar to a language you're probably already familiar with, math. And if you just thought, programming isn't for me, I suck at math, that's not how this works. If you suck at math, it's because you had to memorize multiplication tables. It's because you had to do word problems and solve a million little expressions for homework. You don't have to do that anymore. You're the one writing the problems now. The computer does the math for you. You don't have to be good at it. Anyways, let's break down some expressions so we can understand what the code is doing. 1 plus 2 is an expression, as opposed to 1 plus x equals 2, which is an equation. In coding, we have expressions, which are like simple sentences that result in a single value once we evaluate it. This expression has two values and an operator. The plus operator adds the number on the right to the number on the left, and you get 3. In math, we have operators like plus, minus, multiply, and divide. In coding, we have the same operators, only slightly different. Multiply is an asterisk, and divide is a /. The asterisk kind of looks like an X, and / kind of looks like the line in a fraction, so hopefully it makes sense. By the way, a quick note on backslash versus /. We can remember which one is which by picturing a person standing in the sentence, facing the direction we read, and leaning backwards or forwards. If they're leaning forwards, it's a /. If they're leaning backwards, it's a backslash. So let's look at a slightly more complex expression. There's two ways to evaluate this. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. Or 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So the computer will do the multiplication first. And yes, I am talking about the order of operations, but you don't have to memorize it, learn it, or even worry about it. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. Just know that there is one, and when in doubt, throw parentheses around stuff that matters. This is the basic grammar of coding. We write expressions as complex as we'd like, and the computer goes step by step, reducing that expression into a single value before moving on to the next. So I'm going to keep this real simple and real short. If you like this format, subscribe to follow along, and I'll see you next time.